Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are at paper perk number 52. So today I have some really fun project for you. It's again in a Christmas theme, and today we're going to make a window pocket in our journal. You can of course make it in any journal, and instead of a tag with a Christmas tree, you can insert any other tag that you want that matches your theme. So I'm going to cut everything and then be back. Okay, so I have cut this, and we need to cut out the white paper and create the windows, and this is going to fit in here. Now, this is the window. Since we see the Christmas tree, this is a window that we are looking from the outside in. You can also make another tag, let's say with Santa or something, and then it will be a window that you would be looking from inside outside. So it's completely up to you. And since we're looking inside, that means that this is the outside of the window. So I thought it would be really cool to add icicles that are on the window. In order to do that, we need to add a surface to do the icicles on. So I thought about adding a transparency, something that is transparent. So I'm just going to cut that to size, and we are going to glue it. Just gonna eyeball it. We're going to glue it to the window and then have a surface for the icicles to be on. Also, it will be easier to insert and take out the tag because it will not stick in the openings of the window. So let's attach this first. You just apply glue around the frame and on the inside, and then just add your transparency without moving it too much, because we don't want to smear the glue and then have dirt or stains on the transparency. Let's let it dry for a little bit. Meanwhile, we can ink the edges of our tag, and of course we will only be able to add everything to our junk journal or journal after everything will be dry, but I will show you how to make it and then wait for it to dry and add it to. There is a lot of noise here today, sorry about that. Okay, so what I want to do is this. We're going to, this is just a paper I'm using. So what I'm going to use is Glossy Accents. It's by Ranger. Glossy Accents is basically a type of glue, a dimensional glue that dries. When it dries, it keeps its volume or its shape. It has a narrow tip, so you can basically draw. Just want to make sure that it comes out. So because it is so, you see the tip is really fine, you can actually really draw. So I'm just going to add glue here, and then I'm going to have like icicles going all the way down the window. And then I'm going to make them in different length. And then we are going to add a little bit of glitter on them. So they will look shiny like ice. Okay. I want to make sure I don't spill. So I have this type of glitter. Looks like a clouds. So it will actually looks a little bit like snow. And then I have just white glitter here. I'm going to mix the two and see what we get. It's obviously going to get under the window a little bit, but that's fine. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This is so cool. And then after it dries, you can make another layer. Now this is actually mixed, so I'm going to put this, I'm not going to throw it away, I'm going to put it in a new little box. And doesn't matter how much. Oh, that looks so cool. Also, you can add like a little pot with some greenery on here, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then I forgot to ink the edges, so I'm just gonna try and add a little bit. It won't color the acetate transparency that we added, just the paper, so that's okay. Okay, so now let's find a page. Doesn't matter what page. I also want to add just a little pulling tab, sort of. I'm just gonna staple it. Just gonna staple it like this in the back. So I'm just gonna staple it to the tag. I'm gonna center it and then staple. I like to use staples. Looks nice. Okay, so now we can take our window. We're going to apply glue only to the edges here, because we're going to make it into a pocket, right? And then the bottom, just the edges. So it will be wide enough to fit the tag. And then of course you can add patterns or whatever you want. Don't want to touch the glitter just yet, it's not dry. So now let's see, I think it can fit perfectly in there. So okay, we need to wait until it's dry. Okay, Now we can insert our tag in there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Very Christmassy, very festive. And again, like I said, you can add another layer of icicles or glitter. You can have a tag with Santa, and then it will mean that you're looking from the inside out, so you can add curtains or you know, like a wall pattern. You can play with this, but it's a really beautiful vintagey wooden window, and then you have the tag. You can also add glitter if you want to the ornaments on the tree. You can play with it and just have fun with that. So I really hope that you like this idea and this paper perk. No extra page this week. Thank you very much for, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. I want to thank every Ko-fi supporters for your support. We didn't reach the goal that we have in my Ko-fi shop this year because I kind of added it maybe 3 months ago, so it wasn't there for the whole year, but we did get almost 35%. We're gonna have a new goal come January. So thank you all for your support, for all the cups of coffees that you bought me, all the papers that you got, the extra pages, any support that you give me really helps. So I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to thank you for that. So again, I really hope you like this tutorial. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.